Oh! Oh, check that out! That is the one. Hello everybody, welcome to another exciting video. Today we're looking at some pancake pans. These are some ones by Tefal. With it Pancake Day coming up in the UK, these are really cool because it's kind of supposed to make pancake art a little bit easier. We've got an owl and we've got a unicorn. This will be tricky. But if only it was half term and the kids and even the big kid were around to help me. What do we think, guys? Are we excited? Okay, Mrs. B, are you the same level of excitement? Can I see that?
I am so excited! I'm going to do a unicorn!
Okay, let's just take a minute.
I thought the pan was these bits were gonna be risen up or something.
No,
I don't know why.
That would be quite clever, actually. If it was indented so that the actual lines. No.
But it says here you've got to do the outline first.
Yeah.
And then you fill in the rest.
Yeah. So you get the outline, and you'll do the outlines of all of these, and then fill them a couple of minutes later. Does that make sense? Oh, look at that face of concern.
Unicorn! Look at that!
On the bottom of the pan. Oh wow, that's neat. Right, I guarantee it will not look like
I was
that.
thinking that.
Oh, look at the owl. That actually looks more like an owl now.
Makes me not want to use them now.
Oh yeah, you're going to burn all that, aren't you? This is why this is so good as a pancake pan. Look, it's so flush and low level like that, but you've got to get it. The unicorn one is a little easier, isn't it? Oh no, because you've got the horn. You've got the instructions. I think it's pretty easy, mate. You just follow the lines.
Okay.
So we might go for a slightly more thicker batter, so we'll put the milk in last. Oh, I have never seen such amazingly sieved flour in all my life. Are you professionals?
Yeah.
Yes.
6 eggs.
This is excellent.
Yes. Really sorry about this. I know it's half term. They're allowed to have time off school. I don't know why. This is some pug salt.
Yeah.
Give me a couple of shakes of salt in there. All right. My fear is that we don't want it too wet, so we might have a teeny bit more control like that. Do you know what I'm saying? Right. I want you whisking that like crazy. I want no lumps in it. I want it as smooth as a baby's bum.
Yes, Mum.
There it is. This is it.
Can I have
This
my baby bottle?
is what is going to make
Should I do the other
our pancakes. Yeah, do the other one. So you're having a little bit. Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Is it alright? Is it like a pen? Your
Yes.
finest biro pen ever. Like a feather quill, Phoebe.
Yeah. Professor
Fine, I'm ready.
Professor Squirrel. Come on, Professor Squirrel. No pressure now. A light lubrication of the spray oil on the surface of the pancake pan, and ideally not on the camera. Low flame.
Low flame.
Yeah.
Sure.
Do your outer lines first. There we go. Alright. It's quite a thick layer you're putting down there. You've got a bit of the eye going on, but this is good.
Yay, well done.
Right, and now you can see how it's cooked. You can fill in the gaps.
Some of it's cooked though, some of it's not. Can I just fill in the gaps?
Yeah, because once it's solidified, it won't.
Maybe do where you first started, so.
Oh yeah, good idea.
Fill in the gaps like that. Look at this.
I'm so a big fan of you.
Tell you what though, that is a unicorn on the camera. That looks insane.
Do I do the holes there?
Yeah, do those, definitely. Yeah.
Otherwise it might break.
Yeah, that's cool. Right, now you leave it. Wait till bubbles arise on the surface. That's it. Just fill your gaps. Mrs. B, you should be so proud of yourself.
Well, I haven't turned it
You
over
haven't turned
yet.
it over yet, but look at that. If we leave it like that, tell you what, you could just shove that under the grill and I'll be well happy with that. That looks insane.
Shall I turn it?
It's
Shall
up
we
to
go
you.
for
You
it?
can
I've
see
just
what it's
turned
like.
the heat up.
Look.
Yeah.
That looks like a rat.
Look. I think if I just done the eye, it needs to be cooked.
It needs to be hotter.
Yeah, really
Yeah.
It needs to be hotter. That's what it needs to be. You need that outline to be really browned. Flip it back. Let's see if this side's it. Oh! That's it. Yeah. That looks
Look,
alright.
it's all puffed out. You can see the outline.
Yeah.
That's
Hey, now, I like that, Mrs. B. Well done.
Thank you.
The thing is, Mrs. Barry only used about a third of that bottle, which means, judging by this, that we've now got pancakes for the rest of our lives. Are you feeling alright? How was about this then, Phoebes? Chloe's given up for the minute and she's doing some drawing or something. Doing some paperwork, you know, invoices, that sort of stuff.
Looks like an owl.
Yeah, I'm gonna crank it up. I'm gonna go for it. I want it to be a bit darker. like an owl.
It does.
Does that look like an owl to you?
A bit,
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I've got to wait for this bit to cook. It's so hard because of like how... Maybe we need to put some more flour in and make it thicker because it's just drooping straight out of the bottle.
Not being mean, but it looks like on its beak it has a wart.
Brilliant.
Right, oh, you're actually going to flip it?
Yeah.
Stand back. Hey!
Hey, oh. Look, see that? That's my owl. Does it look like an owl? I will take that. Wait.
Yay.
Boom.
There we go.
Yeah, that's neat, right? Just added a bit more flour and found that if you do that, it does give you a bit more control like this. So, although it might not help us, it might help you. We think that you need to go a little bit hotter on the heat.
Yeah, I'm
Are you really sure that looks like an owl? Oh yeah, it does a little bit.
It's a bit like sketching.
Right, you're going for it?
Yours is better than Daddy's.
I have got the thicker batter though.
No, that ain't gonna help me. Well, there you go. Look at this.
Oh, I love
Oh, the owl. Oh, his buck teeth. This one. Look at that. Boston. It's you.
Not the best one I've seen,
Oh, thanks, mate.
but it is good. You've showed a lot
Oh
of
yeah, you can see that it's...
Oh.
Yay!
Yeah. I'm really happy with how these have turned out. Obviously, you can tell the difference if you go a little hotter. I love how this looks like some sort of like weird tree person. I'm sure I've read a book with like when I was a kid with a character just like that with like toes. Maybe it's just going to haunt my dreams. But actually, if you go for a lower heat, you still get the honest colour shining through in a light brown. So with the kids now dyeing the batters up, look at that. We've got blue, we've got pink, and is that black?
Yes.
We're going to go black for the eyeball. I think we're both going to try and give the unicorn one go. But compared to our normal Pancake Day pancakes, this, I don't know, they look pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is try and do a slightly bigger eyeball. Bigger eyes like that. Okay. And then I'm not going to risk any of this.
Okay.
Let's see if it works. I've never made blue batter in my life, or any colour batter. Right, here we go. Is that alright?
Look at
You got his eyes?
that.
Really neat colouring.
Oh! Oh, check that out! That is the one. I'm so glad I flipped it again. Thank you, thank you. I'll be here all night. Ladies and gentlemen, your owl pancake. Thank you very much.
That is stonking.
Flip. Oh my gosh!
Hey.
Is it cooked? That is the proper unicorn right there. And you've actually given it an eyebrow. Oh, that is so good.
That's a lot better than I thought it was going to be.
I'm just mucking about now. Hey! Oh, oh my gosh! Hey, what a hero! Yay! Awesome! Hey! Rainbow.
Like I'm ruining the pancake.
It does feel a bit weird, but it's like putting Nutella on our pancakes. It's like, it's a bit sad, isn't it? You're eating your creation. No! There we go then, the pancake pan. We're not the best at pancake art, but we've made some pretty darn cool creations there. It tastes alright? You got coloured tongues? Stick your tongue out. Oh yeah, I wasn't thinking about that.
Have a bite of this rainbow that you made.
Oh. So there you go, grab some of the shops. Nice little thing to get ahead for Pancake Day. Check it out, have a grab, have a go. And if you make any creations, do send me your pictures on social media. I'd love to see it. Bye!
Check your level, player. No matter what your style, the kitchen's for me. Simon's moustache, goatee, maybe all three.
We're going to make a simple pancake batter, a bit like the crepe batter that we did with Stuart's at his house. On the subject of Stuart, it was Valentine's night. He tried doing a jerk chicken recipe from my second book for Valentine's Day, and he kind of needs some help cooking. So next time I go to Norwich, here's a picture of what he sent me. Next time I go to Norwich, I generally want to give him some decent, like, basic cooking lessons, because I was like, oh no,